Hello, I'm Vince White. I'm an employment attorney, and we're answering publicly posted questions from abo.com. And I think this person is a very astute person asking the question. They've really done their research. Here's the question: can Uber place a blanket ban on felons if you consider the EEOC Disparate Impact doctrine? I mean, the answer is no. Definitely, in my opinion, the answer is no, they cannot. But let's go through your question. I'm looking for somewhere to work and was wondering if the places that say no felons or certain felonies are not allowed are doing something illegal. Well, the way you ask it is perfect because to say no felons is almost always going to be illegal under criminal record discrimination laws, right? But certain felonies not allowed, that is often going to be legal, right? If you, let's say you committed fraud and that was your felony, and now you want to work in insurance. Okay, that's related enough that maybe you can't work in insurance. Maybe it would be legal for an insurance company to say, hey, sorry, your felony was too related to what we do here. We can't have you here, and we apologize, but it's not going to work. That's very different than just saying, no felons. If you had a felony, you can't work here. Nope, that's not going to fly. That's not going to be okay, certainly. And you go on with your question. So, will the case by case and green factor part of the law be considered in any hiring case? So, yes. Generally, if you're refusing to hire someone because of their criminal record, there is going to be a test that's applied, right? Like, is the felony, is the conviction somehow related to the duties required by the job? And if the answer is yes, then there may be grounds for the employer to not hire. But if it's just, we won't hire felons no matter what, the end, I mean, there's a lot of jobs that have nothing to do with most felonies, right? You had a felony for fighting on the street, and a warehouse says to you, well, we think you're going to steal things because you had an assault felony. That doesn't make too much sense. Those things are not related, right? So I agree with you that I think if you are seeing blanket no felons bans from employers, you have a potential claim, and it's certainly going to be worth speaking to an employment attorney about that. And I hope you get them, because that is not right or fair. Felons have done their time. Let them work. Come on.